Are you looking for the best power bank? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best power bank on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker 165W Laptop Power Bank. Without knowing anything about what you need to charge or for how long, we would recommend this large Anker power bank as a ready-for-anything charger that isn't too big or heavy. Its generous 25,000 mAh capacity can fully recharge most laptops at least once, and it offers faster charging than the average outlet charger. It features 2 retractable USB-C cables, as well as 2 extra ports, one USB-C and one USB-A, in case you need to get multiple devices going at once. Not everyone loves having built-in cables in their power banks, but we're fans. It saves time and means you can always charge some devices in the pack without worrying about whether or not you have an extra cable handy. We also love that it has a built-in color screen, which lets you monitor battery level. It's a bit over the top, but it definitely does a better job of letting you know when to charge the power bank than the usual indicator lights. Key specs: battery capacity, power output, connectivity, weight. 25,000 mAh 165W, up to 100W per device, 2 USB-C cables, USB-C port, USB-A port, 1.3 pounds. Number 2. Baseus EnerFill 22.5W Power Bank. With a starting price under $25, this portable battery pack from Baseus is hard to beat for sheer value. It offers stellar battery capacity, a built-in USB-C cable, a pair of additional ports, and a digital display for keeping an eye on its battery level. Weighing 16 ounces, the accessory is also impressively portable given its size and onboard features. Its 2-year warranty is just as impressive. With a maximum power output of 22.5 watts, the Baseus EnerFill can juice up a modern smartphone to around 50% in about half an hour. Its charging speed lags behind our other picks, but that's a fair trade-off, given the price. Key specs: battery capacity, power output, connectivity, weight. 10,000 mAh 22.5W integrated USB-C cable, USB-C port, USB-A port, 16 ounces. Number 3. Anker Nano 45W Power Bank. The Anker Nano is, as the name implies, an ultra-portable pack. It's an Anker, like our top pick, and comes with many of the same design flourishes we love, including a retractable USB-C cable and a color display. It's just pocket size, with a smaller capacity to match, but also a lower price, at less than $60. It feels like less of an investment than some of the laptop caliber power banks. With a 10,000 mAh battery pack and a maximum power output of 45 watts, the device can rapidly power up any phone and tablet. It can also extend the screen time of compact notebooks like the MacBook Air. It's not suitable for MacBook Pros, however. You can order the Anker Nano portable charger in black, white, pink, or green. Each color option comes with a matching onboard cable. Anker backs the product with a generous 2-year warranty. Key specs: battery capacity, power output, connectivity, weight. 10,000 mAh 45W integrated USB-C cable, USB-C port, USB-A port, 8.2 ounces. Number 4. Baseus Picogo 25W Slim Magnetic Power Bank. In a sea of MagSafe compatible chargers designed to snap to the back of your iPhone, we like the larger version of the Baseus Picogo because it's fast and far more versatile than most of the competition. It supports Qi 2.2, the latest wireless charging standard, so it pairs well with any device that accepts wireless charging, not just the iPhone. Qi 2.2 unlocks a faster 25-watt charging output, which speeds up wireless charging time, which can often feel sluggish compared to fast-charging power banks. To top things off, the Baseus Picogo has a retractable USB-C cable for faster charging, as well as a USB-C port. Key specs: battery capacity, power output, connectivity, weight. 10,000 mAh 25W, wireless, 45W, wired, integrated USB-C cable, USB-C port 9.6 ounces. Number 5. Elecom Nestout 32W Rugged Power Bank. If you're going backpacking and you need a battery pack that can take a little bit of punishment, we like Nestout's Rugged Power Bank. Its shockproof exterior and IP67 rating for water and dust resistance mean it is ready for long camping trips where it might spend a little time in the dirt. The ports also feature screw caps with tight seals, providing complete protection between charges. With a 15,000 mAh battery capacity, 3 charging ports, and a maximum power output of 32 watts, this version of the battery pack offers a fine balance between speed and versatility. Smaller Nestout power banks with capacities of 10,000 and 5,000 mAh are also available. All battery packs are compatible with additional accessories, including a solar charger and an attachable USB light. Key specs: battery capacity, power output, connectivity, weight. 15,000 mAh 32W USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports 12.8 ounces. Number 6. Mophie Powerstation Mini 20W Portable Battery Pack. The Powerstation Mini is the most compact on this list and totally worthy of its name. It's just a tad larger than a lipstick and slips easily into the smallest pocket in your jeans or a clutch purse. And thanks to a sleek aluminum shell, it doesn't look like a tech accessory when not in use. There is a price for its minuscule footprint, though, in the form of a slower charging speed. Still, this is more than fine for juicing up your phone or a pair of earbuds in a pinch. Key specs: battery capacity, power output, connectivity, weight. 5,000 mAh 20W USB-C 2.5 ounces.